Welcome to Concha del Mar RV Park in Rocky Point, Puerto Penasco, Mexico.
Yeah, we're staying here a month.
We're excited to try this dry camping RV park that is right on the beach. And we will give you a little tour, show you around kind of like how it works. We've never stayed somewhere that is, technically an RV park, but it doesn't have any hookups. Nor do we ever stay anywhere for a month. So we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, the RV park so far has been excellent.
Yeah.
A lot of people here have solar, so it's been pretty quiet.
Yeah.
There's some bands playing pretty regularly in the distance every single night. That's the most noise that we get.
Yeah, the location is awesome. You're kind of between the resort area and the old town downtown, but because of that there's music on the beach and at the bar nearby, and it is noisy on the weekend nights, but for us it's kind of part of the atmosphere and just roll with it.
Worth it. I mean, beach views, access.
Yeah, it's pretty great. Let's give them a tour.
Got it. What are we doing?
Some early morning laundry. Gotta beat everybody else over here. The early bird gets the worm. There's only 2 washers, 2 dryers. So, busting it out. Buenos dias.
Nice little laundry room we got here.
Yeah, it's perfect. And it's pretty cheap. $250 USD or 50 pesos for wash and dry.
That's what it is this season. The showers here are pretty convenient too. Great water pressure. At times the water is so hot that it will scald you, so it's amazing. But yeah, there's 4 shower stalls, 4 for men, 4 for women, and here they are. Nice tile, they come in and clean them every day. Convenient hooks to hang your stuff on. And then a little sink and mirror for when you get done.
And since this is dry camping with no hookups, the amazing staff here will bring the services right to you. They deliver water, unfiltered or reverse osmosis. We triple filtered the water into our rig and had no issues drinking it. They deliver propane daily as needed. And there's a self-serve dump station, or you can pay to have your tanks dumped with Blue Boys. They'll even come to you with mobile service or repairs. But the best part of this stay was definitely the company and, of course, the beach. We've had a really great month here at Concha del Mar and in Puerto Penasco, and we hope you enjoyed coming along.
The people here have been amazing at the RV park. They're so nice. They help with whatever you need help with. It's awesome.
Yeah, we definitely want to come back. So.